Hi friends, welcome back to the Fireplace Whisperer studio. I'm going to be showing you how to light and reload your Heritage unit by Hearthstone. When lighting your Heritage, you're first going to open the bypass control, which is on the side opposite of the side loading door, and I've already opened this one. There's a handy little trim piece by the handle that tells you which way is open and which way is closed. Secondly, we're going to come down here to the fresh air control, and we are going to open it all the way. On the top right here, you have a plus and a minus symbol, and that tells you which way is full air and which way is closed. So all the way to the left is where you want to be when you're first starting the fire. On the inside, you see that we have all the wood staged, and this is set up for the top-down burn. And there's a tab above that you can click that will walk you through the benefits of the top-down burn. We are going to go ahead and get this started. All right, the unit's been running for about 20-25 minutes. And what we're gonna do is go ahead and close the catalyst because we have reached temperature. We're into that active catalyst zone. So we are gonna go ahead and shut this side door and close the bypass. And because we have our flue temperature is up, we can go ahead and idle this back down to either a low burn. I'm gonna go ahead and set it at a medium burn. And we're gonna let it burn for a little bit, and then we'll come back and throw some more wood on it. It's now time to reload, and what we're gonna do first is open our bypass, bring our fresh air fully open. So bypass is now open, and I'm going to go through the side loading door on the Heritage. You can always do it from the front. When you open the door, always just kind of crack it for a little bit, let the pressures equalize. Wearing gloves is not a bad idea either. And now if the catalytic indicator is showing you in the active range, you can go ahead and close the bypass. I'm going to let it just kind of get started and get going, and then I'll go ahead and close the bypass and then idle down the fresh air. We've been running for about 10 minutes. So we are going to close the bypass. We are now fully loaded, and this will run for many hours before we have to put more wood in it. So that wraps up our whole video on how to light the stove and how to reload it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.